hands. I don't know what package this is. I don't recognize it yet. There's a pistol. That's a good sign. That's what I wanted. This looks like a good one. King Arms. I don't know what that means, but I think Devin just said he wanted a King Arms. So there's the dog patch. I can't see what the hex is though.
It's just another one of those.
Well, it's the dog patch. Everybody gets the dog patch, but then it usually comes with stuff that goes on the dog. But I can't see. But it's like a gear kit. Okay, so this is the Smith & Wesson, 302 feet per second, spring powered. So it's spring powered. It's not gas. I don't know. It's a good thing or a bad thing. Well, it's nice though. Look at that. Metal, everything. That's plastic actually, but yeah, check it out. Huh? So that's cool. Smith & Wesson, baby.
Let me see.
I think this one actually came with a couple BBs too, so I can actually shoot my gun.
Nice.
I'm getting pumped because this rifle looks pretty legit. Black Rain, I don't know what that is, but it looks good. Don't put a hole in the ceiling. Okay, it's ready. Okay. Black Rain Ordnance. Bro Airsoft, officially licensed. King Arms. Something or another. Let's hope this one has batteries, huh? Oh, that looks nice. That's definitely a lot nicer than the other one I had. I can just tell by looking at it. So it's an M4. It's another M4, but it's a very different M4.
At least this one came with directions.
I actually found the directions for the other one.
Oh.
So it doesn't look like it has batteries though, unless the batteries are in the stock. But this is a metal M4 now. This is all. So it's the same kind of gun as the other one. It's just a much nicer one. So that means my other one's gonna get sold, I think, depending on. Let It Rain. That's so cool. Black Rain. Oh, that is sexy. This is all metal. This is all metal. This is a good gun. This is all metal. This is plastic, but this is all metal. This is metal. It's not like when it was just cold. This is a good gun. This is plastic, ironically. Yeah, man, this is a nice one. Wow, this is too nice. I think this is literally what Dev was just telling me the one he wanted. I legit don't think it came with a battery again, though.
Might not be battery.
I think it is. You can stop recording if you want to, Peyton.